In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Bluehost DNS. So let's see how we can do it. So to set up Bluehost domain DNS, at first we need to log into our Bluehost portal or Bluehost dashboard. So go to bluehost.com and then from the top just click on login. And this will take us to the login page of Bluehost portal. And here we need to enter our Bluehost username and password. And after that we just need to click on login. And this will take us to the dashboard of our Bluehost account. Now to set up our Bluehost domain DNS, from the Bluehost account just click on domains and after that just click on my domains. And here it will show us all the domains that we have purchased from Bluehost. And next to our domain name we will see a manage button and a drop down. So we are going to click on this drop down and here we will see DNS. So we are going to select DNS from here. And here it will show us all the DNS settings for our domain. Like you can change name servers from here. You can add records to your domain name from here. And after that you can also add CNAME records from here. Now let's say you want to connect your Bluehost domain name to any other web hosting provider like GoDaddy or Hostinger. So from the top section, which is name server section, just click on edit from here. And as you can see that currently Bluehost DNS are selected. So if you want to use any other web hosting provider DNS, just click on custom from here. And after that you just need to put your custom DNS here and then click on confirm. And in this way your domain will be connected to any other web hosting provider. So this is how you can set up Bluehost domain DNS. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.